In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on Additional Settings and then select one-handed mode. Finally, use gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it, and follow all of those instructions here in order to use it. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this section at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!